Kagan.
Hey guys.
Hey, it's Bro and Sis. I'm Bryce.
I'm Briley.
And we're Bro and Sis. So we're going to be showing you how we make our slimes.
This is mine.
We will be using
body wash.
And then we will be using my activator I made with borax and warm water. So let's get started.
Do we need salt?
Not for this
So
recipe.
we just put body wash in this, and we're stirring it up with a spoon.
And whoever is the first subscriber, go follow us on social media. She doesn't really have social media, but you can go follow her on Snapchat. We'll list it down in the description. We'll list my Instagram, my Snapchat, and
Everything.
so if you go follow us,
you can follow us on Facebook too.
Yeah. And whoever subscribes to us first will try and give us all your address and stuff. And whoever wants this slime, we'll ship it out to you, right?
Yeah.
We'll ship it out to you. So,
and you have to find $2.
Yep.
For both of us. You can do change too for $1.
Yes.
And then you have to give us a wallet.
Okay. I will list everything you'll need. Borax and warm water and either anything that you want to put in. Then you will need body wash and something to mix it with. Then you put it in. If you want to do food coloring, you can do it.
If you want a different color.
Yeah. But you have to stick it in the freezer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
So let's go stick it in the freezer.
So he's putting it in the freezer now, and it's gonna be for 5 minutes. So that's what we're doing.
So guys, I will tell you what my Snapchat is. Well, you can go follow me on Snapchat or Instagram. I have it.
But if you want our phone number,
you're not getting it. Unless we
because
do
we don't know our phone number. I know my
mine,
phone
but
number.
I'm not gonna say it. But one day we will be doing. We'll try to do reacting to.
Oh, if we get
15K likes on this video, we'll do reacting to fans' Snapchats. So
and we'll do more
and we'll
slime videos.
Guys. So here's a slime that I made earlier, like 5 minutes ago. It's a really good slime.
Like mine.
Yeah, but this one is like.
But mine has a lid on it.
Yeah, this one has a lid.
Where does it stop?
It has a lid. This slime has a lid. I just don't put it on. And
The other slime.
This slime is a really good slime.
This one is too. If you want, this one was the thing
This is $5.
Yeah, this is $5. But if you want to make different kind, you can make it with makeup.
Yeah, sometimes you can make it makeup.
But sometimes you can
This slime
use it
is made with. Stop. This slime is made with iodized salt.
So that's.
And then it's made with
$10. If you get all of these, this is $15.
Then hers is made with body wash and iodized salt. But I didn't add activator to hers. I just added activator to this one. And then the one I am making in this kit.
I got it.
Oh, don't use that. Use this one. She just added activator to hers. I don't know why, but she's a savage. She can do whatever she wants.
Yeah, because it's my time. He gave it to me.
Yeah, I made it for her. Because I'm like the
and I
best
have
girl.
to owe him some candy from Halloween.
Yeah,
I still have it.
So I will be doing a giveaway one day. Like I will give away whatever you guys want. I will give away
We live in Bagstaff, and our house number is 100 104. Yeah.
So yeah, we only gotta wait 2
Adding
minutes.
a bunch of activate.
Yeah, you do not want a activator kid. But yeah, I will give slime away one day. Like I'll give a bunch of slime away, and then I go to my mom's.
Yeah,
on Wednesdays.
Somebody gave it to me.
Yeah, I gave it to her, but she doesn't know where it is. Like our little sister probably took it away.
Yeah, she probably
We'll
threw it
do
away.
videos like. We'll try to do videos, but we have school, so we'll try to do videos Mondays, Tuesdays, definitely on Sundays. So put it on Saturdays because I won't be here unless I stay because I have to go to my mom. But on Sundays we'll do videos, and on Sundays, Mondays we'll try to do a video every day.
After school. Yeah,
We'll try it whenever we get home from Alpha this after school thing.
Yeah,
because like we love you guys.
if you gave us like 60, 100 million
Subscribers,
we'll make 10,000.
okay, if you guys start subscribing and viewing these videos, we will start doing giveaways. And if you win the giveaway, we'll give you slime, and we'll have merch. We'll like have a merch site, but we'll have like containers and sell slime. Like they're gonna be really good slime, guys. But it's kind of hard for us because we have school every day, Monday through Friday, and it's hard to do videos. But we'll be uploading all this week.
Sometimes they'll go to their moms and spend the night, and then they'll come back
on Thursdays. But I will be doing a video tomorrow and on Wednesday where why I'm here with her.
All this week. Okay.
I'll try to do it every time I'm here with my sister, but sometimes I'll do it whenever I'm not with her, and I'll make slimes, and they're gonna be good. And then I'll bring them here. We can do slime reviews over them, and with you guys. And yeah. So I'm gonna go get the slime that we're making. Okay, I'll be right back.
It's gonna be right back. My chair almost fell though. Don't look right there. Sorry. And don't look right there. That's the right. So we got the slime.
Yeah, we got the slime, guys. So,
that's really good.
This is a real good slime. I didn't add much activators to it, but we'll add some more because I have this.
And we'll probably sell this one.
We might give away.
This one is for
$5.
$1. Actually, $2.
Yeah, $2. Okay. If we want to sell, so whoever is the first subscriber, if you subscribe to us,
will give you.
If whoever is the first subscriber and whoever context in the comments below, whoever comments, I want the slime first, will get the slime. Well, they won't get the slime, but I will shout you out, and on your Instagram or Twitter, I will shout it out. So, guys, bye.
Bye.
See you next time, guys.
See ya.